2016 Chevy Equinox, and we're gonna be showing you some tips and tricks when you're changing the motor. I'm not gonna be showing you all that motor replacement. So transmission is in right now. So this is some things I run into, and other guys want you to run into the same thing. So guys, when you pull up the engine, this one is a four-wheel drive, so it have the transfer case there. So it's very long process if you're doing it with the transfer case, but if it don't have a transfer case, guys, it's pretty simple. So here we go. So make sure your transmission is to a level when you take it out, because you don't want it to be tilt. It will give you problem in the replacing process. And this mount in the back here, which is the engine mount, the back one, if you have to make sure that bolt loose a little bit, and you could pull this up. Alright guys, so never take out the bolts them here and don't lose that one, because this will be so stiff, then you can't get out the transfer case. It will be jamming on the transfer case. Alright guys, that's one. And when your engine is coming up, guys, make sure it's not touching the frame, because the crankshaft pulley bolt goes into this hole right there and gets stuck. So you don't want that to happen to you, because it gets happened to me and I had to pry it off. So the crankshaft bolt is so long, look, this bolt, it gets stuck right into the hole, guys. So that is just some tricks for you if you're doing this yourself. And the AC pump, I didn't disconnect the AC line. I take off the pump and just rest it to the side here, guys. So you don't have to, when you put it back in, you don't have to drain the AC and all that stuff. It's gonna be right there. And that's about it, guys. Everything tucked aside. Battery disconnect, battery move, plate move, everything else move. The muffler comes out very nice. And you have a bracket on the muffler. If you pull in the muffler down, it have a bracket that's stopping it from going down. So let me show you that bracket, guys. So this is the bracket. Let's look at it right now. Alright guys, so the bracket's somewhere there, guys. So if I find it, I put it into the end of this video. Oh look, it's right here. So this is the bracket here that holds the muffler from the bottom, the catalyst converter. If you get this one out, guys, you gotta make sure go and get this one out, because the muffler comes down and you can't get a catalyst converter out. So make sure you get this out, and you gotta make sure you put this back, because this could cause the manifold bolt from breaking. So as hard as it is, you gotta make sure it go back in. Alright guys, so that's some tricks and that's some things I run into. We might help you along your journey. And if you like this video, subscribe. And this is the Chevy Equinox 2016 with the 2.4 engine with a lot of problem engine. So I guess it is what it is. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel. Help me put out more content, help me reach my goals, and I'm looking for the subscriber, guys. I'm looking for the support. Thank you, and have a good day. Catch you on the next one.